Alright, so I think the IRC channel definitely wants to know this question, and it's been bugging everyone right now. The question is, what sound does a wraith make?
Pew, 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 pew.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. IRC won't stop spamming. They want you to make more unit sounds.
Alright, so they're requesting you make the Overlord sound.
Overlord. Like, oh, ow, 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 whatever.
Alright, Tim, do you want to do one more unit sound for us?
Let me think of one.
Here, I'll give you one. Make the sound a barracks makes when it lifts off.
I
know you know it.
I know you know the sound he makes in it.
I don't know this one.
Well, you can lift and land your barracks.
You got a
just to
factory?
see.
Yeah, lift it up.
Okay.
That's awesome.
Spot on.